Welcome to আমাদের পাঠশালা. Today we will read about the inverse trigonometric function of class 12 chapter 7. Inverse trigonometric function and trigonometric equation. Trigonometry is one of the ancient branches of mathematics at present for determining angle in various fields of mathematics and science. Inverse trigonometric equation are commonly used. The trigonometric ratio sin theta, cos theta, tan theta etc. are called trigonometric function. That means sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta etc. are called trigonometric function. Then function convert an angle into real number. For example, sin pi by 6, that means sin 30 degree equal half, means pi by 6 is an angle whose trigonometric sign is half. Conversely, the function which convert the number half into the angle pi by 6 is called the inverse of the trigonometric sine function. It is written as sine inverse half equal pi by 6. That means sine inverse sine pi by 6 equal pi by 6. Next, after completing this chapter, student will be able to explain inverse relation of trigonometric function and determine principal value. Number 2, draw the graph of inverse trigonometric functions. Find the general solution of trigonometric equations. Number 4, find the solution of the trigonometric equation in certain interval. Some important formula for trigonometric function: sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equals sin inverse x root over 1 minus y square plus y into root over 1 minus x square. Sin inverse x minus sin inverse y equals sin inverse x root over 1 minus y square minus y into root over 1 minus x square. Cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal cos inverse xy minus root over 1 minus y square into multiply 1 minus x square. Number 4, cos inverse x minus cos inverse y equal cos inverse xy plus root over 1 minus y square into 1 minus x square. Number 5, tan for formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Number 6, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equal tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. Now, problem solving prove that 2 tan inverse x equal sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square equal cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square equal tan inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Prove for since first only that let tan inverse x equal theta, then tan theta equal x. That's number problem 1. We know sin theta equal 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Again we let the tan theta equal x, then putting the value of tan theta and 1 tan square theta, then for case 2x by 1 plus x square, or 2 theta equal sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square, or 2 putting the value of theta that's meant theta equal tan inverse x, then 2 tan inverse x equals sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Therefore we get 2 tan inverse x equals sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square for solving the case 1 proof. Next, problem 2, we know cos 2 theta equal 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Now putting the value of tan theta equal x, that's mean 1 minus tan square theta equal 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, or 2 theta equal cos left side of cos 2 theta, right side in 2 theta equal cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, and putting the value of theta, tan inverse x equal theta or tan theta equal x. Then 2 theta equal, put the value of theta equal tan inverse x, 2 tan inverse x equal cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Then we get Number case for 2 tan inverse x equal cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. And next third, tan 2 theta. We know that tan 2 theta equal 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Now putting the value of tan theta equal x equal 2x by 1 minus x square, or 2 theta equal tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square, or putting the value of theta equal tan inverse x, 2 tan inverse x equal tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Therefore, we get 2 tan inverse x equal tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Then from 1, 2 and 3, 2 tan inverse x equal sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square equal cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square equal tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square proved. Hence, proved the problem 1. Next case, problem solving. So that tan inverse half plus tan inverse 1 by 5 equal tan inverse 7 by 9. Solution left side, tan inverse half plus tan inverse 1 by 5. We know that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal tan inverse x plus y divided 1 minus xy. That's means hence x equal half and y 1 by 5. Then we get tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy, and tan inverse x half plus y 1 by 5 1 minus 1 by 5 into half. After calculating, then LCM 2 into 5 10, tan inverse 5 plus 2 divided 1, LCM 5 into 10 minus 1, that's mean tan inverse 7 by 10 multiply 7 by 10 multiply 10 by 9, 10 cancel, then tan inverse 7 by 9 right side. Therefore, left side equal right side should. Next similar problem, sin inverse 4 by 5 cos inverse 2 root 5 equal tan inverse 11 by 2. Now convert to, we know that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy, but in this case sin inverse 4 by 5 and con inverse 2 by root 5, and we convert into sin inverse 4 by 5, then tan inverse 4 by 3. In this way, sin inverse, let sin inverse 4 by 5 equal theta, then sin theta equal 4 by 5. Now draw a right angle triangle considering the angle theta. Sin theta equal perpendicular by hypotenuse. That's mean perpendicular 4, hypotenuse 5. In this case, base, this is the right angle triangle for base 3. Then tan theta equal perpendicular by base, tan theta equal 4 by 3, tan theta equal 4 by 3, or theta equal sin inverse 4 by 3. Let sin inverse 4 by 5 equal theta and theta equal tan inverse 4 by 3. Tan inverse 4 by 3. In these two cases, theta equals sin inverse 4 by 5 equal tan inverse 4 by 3. In this case, tan inverse 4 by 3, sin inverse 4 by 5 equal tan inverse 4 by 3, and turn into cos inverse 2 by root 5 equal similar way tan inverse of cos inverse 2 by root 5 equal tan inverse of in this way. Then tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Then the formula tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy equal calculation tan inverse 3 to LCM 6, 8 plus 3 divided LCM 6, 6 minus 4 by 6 equal tan inverse 11 by 6 multiply 6 by 2 equal tan inverse 11 by 2 equal right side. How to weigh cos inverse 2 by root 5? In this way, again let cos inverse 2 by root 5 equal theta. In this way, cos inverse 2 by root 5 equal tan inverse of. How to weigh? Let cos inverse 2 by root over 5 equal theta. Then cos theta equal 2 by root 5. then cos theta equal 2 divided root 5. For the helping of right angle triangle, considering the angle theta, we know that cos theta equal base by hypotenuse 2 divided 5. Then find the perpendicular. This is the root over 5 square minus 2 square equal 5 minus 4 equal root over 1 equal 1. Perpendicular 1, then tan inverse, cos inverse, then value of tan theta equal perpendicular by base 1 by half 2 or theta equal tan inverse half. Then theta equal cos inverse 2 by root 5 equal tan inverse half. That's mean cos inverse 2 by root 5 equal tan inverse half. Then this is the problem. Next, so that problem 2, cos inverse sin tan inverse 3 by 4 equal 3 by 4. Left side cos inverse sin tan inverse 3 by 4. Now left side cos inverse sin tan inverse 3 by 4. Let tan inverse 3 by 4 equal theta. Let tan inverse 3 by 4 equal theta. Convert into tan inverse sin inverse, or tan theta equal 3 by 4. Tan theta equal 3 by 4. Then the figure of right angle triangle, this is the considered angle theta, right angle, tan theta equal perpendicular by base, that means 3 by 4, hypotenuse 5, and convert into sin inverse. Then sin theta, from the figure, sin theta equal perpendicular by hypotenuse 3 by 5, then theta equal sin inverse 3 by 5. We get case 1 and 2, theta equal tan inverse 3 by 4 equals sin inverse 3 by 5. We get theta equal tan inverse 3 by 4, tan inverse 3 by 4 equals sin inverse 3 by 5, sin inverse 3 by 5. Then this case sin cos inverse sin inverse 3 by 5, sin inverse cancel. Second condition equals cos inverse 3 by 5. This is cos inverse. Cos inverse convert to cot inverse. Similar way, again let cos inverse 3 by 5 equal theta, cos inverse 3 by 5 equal theta, or cos theta equal 3 by 5. Now cos theta, then the helping of right angle triangle considering the angle theta, and cos theta equal base by hypotenuse equal 3 by 5. This is the perpendicular 4. Then cot theta equal tan theta equal perpendicular by base, cot theta equal base by perpendicular, that means 3 by 4, or theta equal cot inverse 3 by 4. Then you get theta equal cos inverse 3 by 5 equal cot inverse 3 by 4. We get cot inverse 3 by 4, cot inverse cancel 3 by 4 equal right side. Therefore, left side equal right side. Next problem, prove that this is the formula of sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal pi by 2. Prove that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal pi by 2. Prove let sin inverse x equal theta. Sin inverse x equal theta. Then sin theta equal x. We know sin theta equal, then sin theta equal x. We write cos pi by 2 minus theta equal x. Cos pi by 2 minus theta equal x, and this quadrant first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Theta lies in first quadrant and pi by 2 odd number. So cos convert in sine, then cos pi by 2 minus theta equals sine theta, or pi by 2 minus theta equal, or pi by 2 minus theta equal cos inverse x, right side cos, take right side in cos inverse x, pi by 2 minus theta equal cos inverse x. Now left side sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, we get sin inverse x equal theta, put theta, and cos inverse x equal pi by 2 minus theta, that's mean plus pi by 2 minus theta. Now theta cancel, then we get pi by 2 equal right side, therefore left side equal right side, proved. Next problem, so that tan inverse 1 by 3 minus tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equal tan inverse 3 by 11. Now left side tan inverse 1 by 3 minus tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 7, convert first two term tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, this is the formula, tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equal tan inverse, then calculation 3 5 LCM 15, 5 minus 3 LCM 15 plus 1 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equal tan inverse, convert into 2 by 15 multiply 15 by 16 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equal result, we get result tan inverse 1 by 8 plus tan inverse 1 by 7, and this is the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy equal tan inverse 7 plus 8 by 56, 56 LCM 56 minus 1 by 56 equal tan inverse 15 by 7 plus 8 15, 15 by 56 multiply 56 minus 1 equal 55 by 56, convert into 56 by 55 equal tan inverse 15 by 55 equal tan inverse 3 by 11 equal right side, therefore left side equal right side. Next problem, prove that 2 tan inverse x, 2 tan inverse x means 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equal pi by 4. We know that 2 tan inverse x equal, we know that 2 tan inverse x equal tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square, tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square, this is the formula. Now convert into 2 tan inverse x, 2 tan inverse x 1 by 3 equal tan inverse 2 into 1 by 3 by 1 minus 1 by 3 whole square plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equal tan inverse 2 by 3, 2 into 1 by 3 means 2 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 9, and next line 9 LCM 9 minus 1 by 9 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equal tan inverse 2 by 3 multiply 9 by 8 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equal tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. This is the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, formula tan inverse x plus y equal tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus x y equal calculation 4 7 LCM 28, tan inverse 25 by 28 multiply tan inverse 28 by 25 equal tan inverse 25 cancel equal tan inverse 1, tan inverse 1 equal tan inverse tan pi by 4 equal pi by 4. Therefore, pi by 4 equal right side, therefore left side equal right side. Next problem, show that sin cot inverse cos tan inverse x equal 1 root over 1 plus x square by 2 plus x square. left side sin cot inverse cos tan inverse x, and tan inverse x convert into cos inverse. Then for the helping of right angle triangle, let tan inverse x equal theta, let tan inverse x equal theta, then tan theta equal x. For the helping of right angle triangle, angle considered theta, this is the right angle, tan theta equal perpendicular by base, that's mean x1, this is the hypotenuse, root over 1 square plus x square equal 1 plus x square, and convert into cos inverse. Then from the figure, cos theta equal base by hypotenuse 1 by root over 1 plus x square, 1 by root over 1 plus x square, or theta equal cos inverse, theta equal cos inverse 1 by root over 1 plus x square. In this case, theta equal tan inverse x, theta equal cos inverse root over 1 by 1 plus x square. Then sin cot inverse cos inverse 1 by root over 1 plus x square, cos inverse cancel, sin cot inverse 1 by root over 1 plus x square, and cot inverse convert into sin inverse. Then helping of right angle triangle again, let cot inverse 1 by root over 1 plus x square equal theta, or cot theta equal 1 by root over 1 plus x square. For right angle triangle is the angle theta, tan theta equal perpendicular by base, but cot theta equal base by perpendicular, that's mean 1 root over 1 plus x square. This is the right angle triangle, hypotenuse square equal base square plus perpendicular square equal root over 1 square plus root over 1 plus x square, that's mean 1 plus x square equal 1 square 1 plus 1 equal root over 2 plus x square, root over 2 plus x square. This is the hypotenuse, root over 2 plus x square, and convert into sin theta equal from the figure, sin theta equal perpendicular by hypotenuse equal root over 1 plus x square divided hypotenuse root over 2 plus x square, or theta equals sin inverse root over 1 plus x square, root over 1 plus x square divided root over 2 plus x square. We get theta equal cot inverse 1 by root over 1 plus x square, theta equals sin inverse root over 1 plus x square by 2 plus x square equals sin inverse root over 1 plus x square by 2 plus x square. Sin inverse cancel, then root over 1 plus x square by 2 plus x square. Therefore, left side equal right side, proved. Next problem, if sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal pi by 2, then show that x square plus y square equal n. Given that sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal pi by 2, you get sin inverse x equal pi by 2 minus sin inverse y, or x equal sin inverse, turn into right side, sin pi by 2 minus sin inverse y. That means sin pi by 2 minus sin inverse y is the pi by 2 multiply 1 odd. So, sin convert into cos, or x equal cos sin inverse y. Now, sin inverse y convert into cos inverse, or x equal cos inverse root over 1 minus y square, cos inverse cancel, or x equal root over 1 minus y square, and by squaring both sides x square equal 1 minus y square. Then take y square x square plus y square equal 1 or x square plus y square equal 1. Therefore, x square plus y square equal 1 proved. Homework: if cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal pi by 2, then show that x square plus y square equal 1. Similar problem, sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal, before this problem, sin inverse x plus sin inverse x plus sin inverse y. Similar problem, cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal pi by 2. Cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal pi by 2, then show that x square plus y square equal 1. Number 2, prove that. Similar problem, cot cos inverse sin tan inverse x equal x. Number 3, prove that. Similar problem, sin cot inverse tan cos inverse x equal x. Number 4, show that cos inverse 4 by 5 plus cot inverse 5 by 3 equal tan inverse 27 by 11. This is the homework of tomorrow. Thanks to all.